Hello homeowners, in this short video I'm going to show you how to find the model number of your dishwasher. I'm Garrick. I run my appliance repair business here in Calgary. On my YouTube channel, I give viewers like you some practical advice about home appliances, so please consider subscribing. First of all, why would you need a model number of your appliance? The answer is simple: in order to find the right part. When Techvill Appliance clients call us, we always ask them the model number. The model number helps us to identify if a technician has the part with him or he needs to go and pick up some specific part. Now, where you can find the model number of your dishwasher, in order to get the right number, you need to open up the door and then you'll find up this small tiny sticker. Usually it's on the frame behind the door. But once you open up the door, you'll see this sticker. Just look around the frame, and if there is nothing like a model sticker on the frame, just have a look at the door itself. On the internal part of the door must be a sticker somewhere. The label with the model number may look like that. Or like that. Or even like that. Let me know if you were not able to find the model number of your appliance, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. Smash the like, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.